Okay, here we got another running of the engine. 4th of August, 17. We've incorporated this little oil pump to lubricate through that injector. Squirts a dribble over the rotor as it turns, lubricating the cylinders. There's the switch for ignition and oil on the left. Running the old carburetor. Didn't have time to hook up the new fuel injection system, so I really don't have any advance on the timing either, so it's just set fairly close. There's the old starter unit, old coil, hook up a 12-volt battery for power, and the exhaust system. We couldn't fit the muffler in there. I didn't fit it properly. I need a little extension, but all the exhaust is being redone. This is from the old setup. The old carburetor and manifold, all that gets replaced. It's our oil reservoir. So oil returns to the bottom of the engine, into the tank to be recycled, sucked back into the pump, and back into the engine. It's pumping a little bit too much, but we're going to give it a try. So, to be continued. Okay, we had a little bit too much oil pumping through the system, and it started overflowing through the sides. We need to get a smaller oil pump. We're going to try restricting it with some vice grips on the line, or intermittently flicking the toggle to give us a little bit less oil. Definitely at a lesser pace, but it's a little loud and the timing needs to be adjusted, but just another test, trying to get it dialed in. Yeah, I left the switch on too long, but we're getting too much oil and it's coming out the sides. You see it dripping out, but we get a smaller volume pump and fix the exhaust to where it's got a muffler on it. Bump up the advance a little bit and give it another try on the next episode of the next Rotary Engine, to be continued.